What's up, you guys? Here is another banger. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to let you know when I'm dropping another video. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're not, welcome back to my channel. Please watch my other videos that I already posted. As you can see, today is Taco Tuesday. We got Taco Bell at home, so that's what we're going to be making. I finally learned how to make the pizza tacos that Taco Bell sells. We're going to be making that easy recipe, and we're going to be making the red sauce that goes on the taco. As you can see right here, we're going to be using ground beef, fried beans, tomato sauce to make the red sauce, tomatoes, sugar, vinegar. All the stuff I'm showing you now is to make the red sauce. Ground cumin, chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, complete seasoning. We got tacos right there. We got cheddar cheese. We got green onions, and we got lettuce. So we're going to get started. First, we're going to be open this meat so we can get no. First, we're going to cut the tomatoes and open these cans so we'll have that out the way. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. This how I open my cans. I don't have a can open. I don't know why I don't get one. We're gonna make the sauce last because the sauce is not that much to make. And now we're going to cut the tomatoes. I don't know how much the pizza I'm gonna make. I might make 2 pieces because I'm making tacos as well. I am hungry, so let me hurry up. This process shouldn't be long. Here it is, right here. We're going to turn the camera around to the stove so we can get this meat started to cook. Hold on, y'all. Finally, we're going to put it in here. I did not bring out my seasoning salt, you guys. This should be like a quick meal. One quick meal. Hope you guys can see. I forgot we do gonna need a little bit water. Well, I'm trying to see how much. Okay, I'm trying to see how much time did they give Carmelo. Mind you, they already had that. Once they got rid of the all black jurors, all the teachers, and only kept the biracial ones. I knew he was going to be found. Not I mean found guilty then. Oh shit! Oh, that was so sad. I'm gonna draw this out. I will be back. Now we want to make the sauce. We're gonna need 1 can of tomato sauce. Hold on, y'all. We're gonna need 1 cup of water. It's so good I could drink it. Oh, they put on like Mexican pizza, they put it in Doritos, which my mom loves. I'm gonna show you how to make it. Don't cook my pot, y'all, okay? It's clean chocolate. Start with an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, 1/3 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of sugar, and a teaspoon of white vinegar. They're gonna mix that up real good. Oh, half a spoon. For about 8 minutes to simmer on medium. Taco Bell red sauce that literally half a spoon of cumin. It's so good I can drink it. Oh, when they put on like the Mexican pizza. Half a spoon of chili powder. Half a spoon. Start with an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, 1/3 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of sugar, and a teaspoon of white vinegar. They're gonna mix that up real good, and we're gonna go for about 8 minutes to simmer on medium. Copycat Taco Bell red sauce that literally tastes exactly like the red sauce on Taco Bell. So now we're gonna mix it, y'all. Drink it. They put on like the Mexican pizza, they put it in Doritos, which my mom loves. I'm gonna show you how to make it. Don't cook my pot, y'all, okay? So then you're gonna leave it. You're gonna start and leave it on simmer. I think I put too much chicken powder. That's how the sauce look now. You're gonna leave it on medium. I already got another can of chili sauce. I mean tomato sauce. And now we're going to start on our. I thought I put. I'm almost. We're going to work on. Now we're going to do the tortillas. Okay, I'm back. It's time to fry the tortillas. I'm only going to make 2 tortillas because I'm making tacos as well. Because that's only me. So I need 4 tortillas all together. I hope you guys can see that. You let them cook on one side for a minute and then you turn on the other side for a minute. Let's see. It haven't been a minute yet. Can't wait till these get done. I'm gonna show you guys when I done with when I flip it over. Okay, I'm back. It's been a minute.
A few moments later.
I'm not going to put that much meat in them. I'm just saying about do it, y'all. Don't want to overpower it with stuff. Like you on the last leg. I'll come back. We got to pick. Oh, my bad. Okay, and then the cheese. Remember, I'm not putting mine in the oven so the cheese can melt. I'm not doing that. I'm just going to leave the cheese how it is. You're gonna put it like that. Then, hold on, where's my spoon? Hold on, y'all. The cheese sauce. I'm gonna put lettuce. I'm gonna put the lettuce. I'm gonna put the lettuce on them. Green cheese. All my things. My light right there, y'all. And then we're gonna put green onions. And that's how. And tomatoes. Don't forget the tomatoes. Now we're gonna do a similar, but I'm doing it off camera. Then I'm gonna be back for the final look, and then we'll close out the video.